How to use Temu gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can use gift card on the Temu app. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy. Simply open up your Temu app and you'll get an interface like this. Now make sure you're logged into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, simply open up the app. Here you can see on the interface. Now here what you want to do is, in order to use your gift card on Temu, what you want to do is you want to proceed into the product that you want to buy. Now I'll just select this product here, the shoes one, and simply add to cart. And once you add to cart, what you want to do, now you can see here on the cart, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on the checkout option here on your cart. And once you select your checkout option, you'll be needed to enter your address or details here. Now you can see it'll ask you for particular details. Simply enter in these details, and once you tap on save, it'll ask you to select the payment option. And on the payment option, what you want to do is you want to select the card option. Now there on the card option, what you want to do is you want to enter in your gift card number there on the number option, and then simply proceed to payment, and you'll be able to use your Temu gift card. So this way you can use your Temu gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.